All right, exponential transformations is the worksheet we're working on today. Okay? Hopefully, you're getting pretty good at transformations. Because we've done it, what, 5 times now? Done different transformations on different parent functions. So now we got to do the parent function of exponential. Okay? F of x equals a times b raised to the x power. All right? So in set 1, who had set 1? Okay? So tell me, what did you put here? What was a? And how do you know a is 1 in this situation? Because there's nothing in front of the thing being raised to a power, right? And what's b? 2. Plus right here it told you a was 1 and b was 2, right? Okay. What about the second one? 1 and 3. A is 1 and b is 3. Okay, what about y sub 3, the third function? A is 1, b is 8, right? So which one of these is which? They already graphed it for you on number 1. Which is which? You think this is y1, y2, y3? Well, there's one way to figure it out, right? Whoa, what is that? That's crazy. I'm sorry, I don't know what that was. You're cool. Yeah. See, look. Still there. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the x power. And it looks like that. And then we have 3 raised to the x power. Watch it, because it's going to graph next. And then we have 8, oops, tab, 8 raised to the x power. And that's next. So this one right here is y sub 3, isn't it? And this one right here is y sub 2, and this one right here is y sub 1. So how do the graphs compare? So they cross at 0, 1. They all cross at 0, 1. And that's how they compare? They're all exactly the same because they all cross at 0, 1? So as... Which one? As b gets bigger? What'd you say? The graph gets steeper? That's what Jared said. Is that right? Can you think of any other, like, a better way to say it or different way to say it? So does this get steeper? It kind of does, right? So for it has to cross at 0, 1. Is that what you're telling me? Because when x is 0, anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay, so it's got to cross at 0, 1. But if it's going to be going up really steep, it's going to go down, a little further down before it can go straight up, right? So even that part's a little steeper, isn't it? Like in a different way, kind of, ish. Okay? Are we good with this? Good. You should be. Okay? All right, what about set 2? Who had set 2? So, what did you have here for A? And B? 0.4. And right here? And 0.1. Okay, so what did those graphs look like? Whoa, what is that? Ignore that part. Like that. Like that. And like that. Ignore this part right here too. Pretend those are all closer together. Ignore this part. It's ugly. Not that you should always ignore things that are ugly. I'm not being judgmental. But which one's which? This one right here is y1? Are you sure? Okay. Okay. So how do their graphs compare? All cross